Hey guys, may you here grow your YouTube channel with this hack or with this special trick. But is it really helping you guys or not? I'm gonna explain that in this video. Some people say YouTube subscription code are hacked to get massive gains in subscribers. Let's see what's that and is it really helpful? Because I'm also a very small YouTuber and got some experience with it. That's why I thought to make video on that to share with you guys. If you're really new on YouTube and stuck to gain subscribers, then this video is going to help you a lot. So please keep watching this video to learn. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm gonna explain, is YouTube subscription code really helping you guys to get more subscribers or not? And what is the best way to grow on YouTube, which I'm following right now and getting some change in views and subscribers. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. First of all, let me show you guys how YouTube subscription code works. This is the code which you guys have to add in your YouTube channel link. I'm gonna show you guys with my YouTube channel link. Before adding this code, my YouTube channel was opening as it is. But now we can see this pop-up screen asking for subscribe or cancel. Normally we share it with our connections or in community, because when they will click, they will get subscribe pop-up window. So what do you guys think about that? Will they subscribe to you or not? We think they do it because they don't have any other option to watch your videos. We understand them wrong. We don't understand them in this, but they do understand that, and they mostly press on cancel and watch your YouTube channel. If your video suits them, then they do subscribe manually. So instead of focusing on hacks, secret codes or any other things like that, I would recommend you to focus on your content. Think about your content. Is it helping your viewers or not? Is it entertaining your viewers or not? Ask questions from yourself like that. Think everything which you think can encourage your viewers to watch your videos by their benefit. It will automatically help them to subscribe you and bear your notifications when you upload any new video. In this fast forward lifestyle, just talk to the point in your video and make sure to be consistent in what you do on YouTube. That's what I'm doing and trying to get subscribers and viewers, because I think each viewer has precious time and I don't have any right to waste their time. This is what I realized and thought to share with you guys. You can't get your goals in just one day. So keep consistency by uploading videos daily or weekly basis. Share your thoughts by commenting on this video to help each other. I hope you guys did like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.